Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well and hope you have watched your previous videos and you have finished your first assignment. Students, as we have told you in the WhatsApp group that you have to submit your assignments on of every week on Wednesday, right? Okay. Now let's start today's lesson, and our today's lesson is about triangles and their types. So open your books first at page number 188 for better understanding. Students, as we have discussed in the class that a triangle is a shape with three sides is called a triangle. A shape with three sides is called a triangle. A triangle has three sides and three corners. Now, as you can see, this is a triangle, and this triangle has 1, 2, and 3 sides, right? 1, 2, and 3 sides. It's a triangle. It has 3 sides and 1, 2, and 3 corners. So this shape is called a triangle. So triangles are the shapes with 3 sides and 3 corners, right? A shape which has 3 sides and 3 corners, this shape is called a triangle, right? Now, this is the thing that you have already learned in the previous classes. In this grade, we will learn new thing, that is the types of the triangle. We have 3 types of triangle according to the equal sides, right? And these 3 triangles are known as scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Now let's see how we will write their names and what are their properties. See this triangle. As you can see, each side has different measurement, right? This side is the shortest one, this is the longer, this in the comparison of this side, and the base is the greatest one, right? As you can see, all the sides have different measurements. So this is a triangle with no equal side. This is a triangle with no equal side. So this triangle is known as a scalene triangle. What this triangle says, it says I am a triangle with no side equal, right? A triangle that says I am a triangle with no equal side. So my name is scalene triangle. What's the name of this triangle? It's called scalene triangle. Why we call this triangle a scalene triangle? Because it has no equal side. Understood? Now, the second type of the triangle, that is known as an isosceles triangle. Why we call this an isosceles triangle? As you can see, these two sides are equal in the measurement. Now let's check it with the help of our ruler, right? Now you can see this side is about 9.8 centimeters. Same, this side is again 9.8 centimeters. So as these two sides are equal, so this triangle is known as an isosceles triangle, right? The triangle with two equal sides. A triangle with two equal sides is known as an isosceles triangle. What this triangle says, I am a triangle with two equal sides. I am a triangle with two equal sides and my name is isosceles triangle. A triangle with two equal sides is known as an isosceles triangle, right? Now let's discuss the third type of the triangle, and that triangle is called an equilateral triangle. Now let's see why we call this an equilateral triangle. Because this triangle has all the three equal sides. Now let's again measure it with the help of our ruler. As you can see, its sides are about 10.7 centimeters. One side is 10.7. Its other side is also 10.7 and its third side is again 10.7 centimeters, right? So this is a triangle with 3 equal sides. A triangle with 3 equal sides is known as an equilateral triangle, right? So what this triangle says? It says, I am a triangle with all sides equal. I am called equilateral triangle, right? Now let's quickly review what we have learnt in this lesson. We have learnt about triangles. We have learnt about triangles. A triangle is a shape that has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3 corners, right? A triangle with 3 sides and 3 corners. A shape that has 3 sides and 3 corners, it's known as a triangle. Then we have discussed the types of the triangles. Number 1, it's called a scalene triangle because it has no equal side. The second one is known as an isosceles triangle. Why we call it an isosceles triangle? Because it has 2 equal sides. This one side is equal to this one, right? These 2 sides are equal. That's why it's called an isosceles triangle. And third one is known as an equilateral triangle. Why we call this an equilateral triangle? Because this triangle has 3 equal sides. So a triangle is a shape that has 3 sides and 3 corners. Then it has 3 types according to the equal sides. How many types? 3 types according to the equal sides. This one is known as a scalene triangle with no equal side. A triangle with no equal sides is known as scalene triangle. A triangle with 2 equal sides, it's known as an isosceles triangle. And third one, a triangle with 3 equal sides, it's known as an equilateral triangle, right? Hope you have understood the types of triangle. If you have any difficulty, then watch the video again or you can contact me. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.